So again, good afternoon. My name is Erwin Heijsen from Thorbiq. We are a young technology company based in Lokeren between Ghent and Antwerp. We have been created 4 years ago as a spin-off of an engineering company. So our mother company was an engineering company, and they were facing also the issue that there was a real gap between the manufacturers of building products on the one side and all the other actors in a construction process. So architects, engineers, contractors, installers, etc. So hence the idea to come up with a solution, and it's out of this solution that Thorbiq was born 4 years ago. So our paying customers are manufacturers of building products, of construction products, and this can be technical products like air conditioning solutions or heat pumps like Daikin, radiators from Jaga or from Henrad Stelrad, or more materials, building materials coming from customers like Wienerberger or Unilin, Recticel, Eco, Foam Glass, just to name a few. We are a task provider, technology as a service, and we provide technology, so cloud, SaaS-based, to manufacturers like Wienerberger, helping them to set up a digital solution, which is for Wienerberger the single source of truth, so the central source of reliable information on their products towards the other actors in the construction world, so the architects and the engineers. And this is for our customers really a lead generation engine. It's a digital sales and marketing channel with digital services to make life easy of those construction actors. So as already mentioned, we are with our solution, we are bridging the gap between the manufacturing world, the famous Industry 4.0, and the construction world. So this is how it looks like, for instance, for Wienerberger. We created for them a digital channel which can be used free of charge by the users and by the architects and the engineers. So also within the 3D model, the 3D model of the building they're working on, they can very easily from within that model, so for the project they are working on, they can very easily select, configure the most convenient, the most relevant Wienerberger product for their project. And we generate with our technology not only the BIM content to be integrated in the 3D model of the building, but also all other product-related assets like technical data sheets, certificates, installation manuals. All this can be very easily found on this digital channel. It's a global solution, so it takes into account language availability of products in different regions. So it's all data driven, it's very scalable, and of course it's very easy to use. So this is a snapshot of how the architecture looks like. So we get the data from Wienerberger. So our solution is purely data driven. And we generate the content, which is then made available on the digital channel, on the bim.wienerberger.com or wienerberger.eu URL. The data, the content, the product assets like technical data sheets, certificates can be very easily integrated in the 3D model of the building. So you see there an example. And last but not least, Wienerberger gets business insights in the usage of this platform. So the channel for Wienerberger has just been started up, but for Daikin, for instance, if you're interested, you can have a look at bim.daikin.eu. There are already more than 15,000 users in Europe, so architects, engineers, installers, who are using this single source of truth channel from Daikin to find relevant Daikin product information. And every month we see 200-300 new users being added, and Daikin gets the information, they get the reports about who has been downloading what kind of information. So a local salesperson of Daikin in Poland can contact that architect or that engineer, asking them if they want more help. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, Erwin.
Yes.
The time is running out. Apologize.
Okay, no problem. I will wrap up. So this gives you an idea of how it looks like, and of course, as soon as the information is being downloaded in the 3D software, you can render the products with like images. We can also create a kind of a virtual showroom where people can walk around virtually and look at the products. This is an overview of some of our success stories, some other customers, and I would like to finish with the Thorbiq team.